Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this we're going to do the CPU throttling test comparison between the Realme X1 Max versus iQOO 7 device by using the gain space and ultra game mode. Yes friends, this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to make this kind of video. Let me exactly clear all the applications from the background. All the apps are completely clean. And right now as you can see friends, I'm trying to use the gain space, so which I did add even the ultra game mode as well. Let's see using this kind of modes which phone will be having what kind of results. Let me disable everything, so there's no connections at all at this moment, no Wi-Fi, no internet. And right now let me start doing this test for about 15 minutes of time. So 15 minutes, let's see friends which phone will be having what kind of result using the gain space and using the ultra game mode during this process of demonstration. And both phones are having pretty kind of close battery percentage, 37% and 39%. So we'll be able to get to know how is the temperatures and how much battery will decrease during this time of testing. And 25 degrees and 26 degrees, that's kind of pretty low regarding the temperatures because of this winter season going on. That's the reason it's very cold in this moment. And let's start the test friends using this kind of gain space and using this kind of ultra game mode. And in the ultra game mode I'm trying to use the performance mode, game mode as well. As you can see, there's a special option which I did select at this moment while doing this kind of CPU throttling test. So let's see friends which phone will be having what kind of throttling result while using the gaming mode, ultra game mode and the gain space. And this is my first time doing this kind of testing after so many days, after so many updates as well. And we'll be able to get to know after this Android 12 update what is happening with the Realme X1 Max device as well. So I will be back after 5 minutes of time, then we can discuss more details between this both phones. So right now as you can see friends, after 5 minutes of time, both phones were able to maintain very good regarding the graph, like exactly green color only. Still the Realme X1 Max did not change any kind of color. Not bad using the ultra game mode and using the game space. As you can see, not bad. So let's see friends what is the temperatures happening at this moment between these both phones. 34.8 degrees Celsius, 37.4 degrees Celsius. Wow, 37 degrees and 35 degrees. So 2 degrees higher in the Realme X1 Max device. Again, I'll be back after some time just to check what's happening with overall graph and the temperatures. But till now it looks completely really very good. Gain space, using the gain space and using the ultra game mode. But the battery is draining a lot in the Realme X1 Max. It drained 27%, already it got drained. 10% got decreased within just 6 minutes of time, 10%. iQOO 7 decreased only 4%. From 39 it came to 35. That's something you should definitely know it. And I'm going to be back after some time what's going on with the temperatures. I'll try to check it. As you can see friends, finally we got the test results, CPU throttling test results. Try to look at the CPU throttling of the iQOO 7 device, which totaled up to 90% versus the 80%. You can clearly see friends. So highest score is about 3,57,000 and average is 3,21,000 and minimum is 2,79,000. And all the scores are completely above 3 lakhs in the iQOO 7 device. So definitely friends, using the ultra game mode slightly kind of improving in the Realme X1 Max device, which I can definitely see in the graph, because before it used to be everything red color if you remember, but using the gain space the graph was able to maintain pretty good. And even in the iQOO 7 device as well, nothing much major problems with the graph. You can clearly see friends, this is a test using with the ultra game mode and using with the gain space. That's it friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates, and this is a quick comparison between these both phones. And meanwhile, signing off until then, stay tuned. Bye.